Hello, people at home. Parker and Peter. Volume 1, Episode 2. Don't worry about him. He's plenty warm. We've just been out laying in the sun, soaking up some vitamin D, getting rid of the old yellow eyes. You're looking at the wrong camera, Parker. You gotta look at the right camera. There you go. That looks a little better. Giving him some vitamin D. Baby's in Reno with a vitamin D. Got a couple of couches. Sleep on the baby seat. Just like the song. So, yeah, Parker's getting big. He's been getting a lot of milk. Well, standing on his own. Trying to get him walking by 9 months so he can be on skis next winter. So we've been doing lots of squats and jumps and standing. Watching some race footage. He doesn't like exercising too much quite yet, but he's getting used to it. But, yeah, Parker's getting bigger, starting to get a little smarter. You know, all things babies do. Whoa, 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 not too stable yet, but hopefully once we get him in some ski boots, he'll be able to hold himself up. So, say goodbye, Parker. Yeah, say goodbye to the people at home. Later.